Hello, my name is 𝘩𝘍𝘠𝘠, and today I'm going to share with you how to grow your email list organically. Hi, my name is 𝘩𝘍𝘠𝘠, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit to unapologetically show up as you. I'll be here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. So if you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now. Okay guys, let's dive in. So today we're going to be talking about organically growing your email list. I'm going to tell you the completely free way to do it, and then I'm going to share with you my favorite way, which costs a little bit of money. So the first thing you need is a freebie, okay? So you need some sort of freebie where you're giving out information that somebody in your target audience would find valuable. So the easiest thing to do is make a PDF. I like creating my PDFs in Canva. So I will put a link below for Canva so that if you don't have Canva, you can download that app and start playing around with that. But you can create a PDF in Canva that then you can give out in exchange for emails. Another thing you can do is create like a quiz in type form. You can also do a webinar. So there's a lot of different things that can be used as a freebie. But you need something that your audience, your target audience, is going to find valuable that you can give to them for free in exchange for their email. Okay, so that's the first thing, is you need to come up with a PDF or a freebie that you can give to your target market in exchange for their email. The second thing you need is a landing page. So you can create a free landing page through MailChimp, and I will put the link for MailChimp below, so it's completely free. So when somebody wants your freebie, you will send them the link to your landing page, and then they enter their name and email, and then it's automatically going to send them your freebie. And now they're on your email list, and then MailChimp will have all your emails for you in there. So I started out with MailChimp, but I moved to Flowdesk, and I'll put the link for Flowdesk below. And I believe if you use my link, it is $19.99 a month forever. And what I love about Flowdesk is it's more pretty, it's more intuitive, and also you can create multiple email lists, where with MailChimp, with the free version, you can only have just the one. You can segment and tag, but it's a little bit more complicated. So with Flowdesk, with that paid $19.99, you just have more options and an easier way to separate your different freebies in different markets. So you may have some people coming to you for one thing, so they might be on one email list and then, another. So anyways, so MailChimp or Flowdesk, you want to create your landing page. So once you have your landing page, now you're going to start sharing your freebie with other people. So here are some ways I suggest sharing your freebie. So you want to create content on social media around your freebie. So for example, I have a freebie called 20 Posts to Build Community in Your Facebook Group. So I will link that below as well. So if you have a Facebook group and you're always wondering, what should I be posting in there, or I'm not getting any engagement, that's a really great cheat sheet to have on hand so that you always have an idea of what to post and you don't ever have to think about it again. So if you struggle with what to post in your Facebook group, make sure you snag that freebie. So you want to, on all your social media platforms, start sharing that freebie. So how do you do that? So you create content around the subject of the freebie. So maybe I might do a post about 5 reasons you need a Facebook group for your business, right? And then close it up with offering my freebie. You can offer your freebie in a live. You can offer your freebie in a written post. You can offer your freebie in a story, selling in a story series. You can offer your freebie On your YouTube channel, you can offer your freebie on Instagram, on Facebook. You can put your freebie link with a graphic on Pinterest. So you're just once a week, I want you to drive traffic to that freebie from all different directions. And that's going to help get people on your email list. Now, a lot of this work is going to be done behind the scenes. So you want to be searching for people that are in your target market and then finding way to become friends with them. So you're just gathering friends that are in your target market community. And then you can ask them, once you've been friends with them and building a relationship, if they're interested in checking out your freebie. Again, it's free and it's a value to them. So let's say that you are in makeup. So you join a group on Facebook about makeup, and then you post in there and become an active member where you're always giving value and people comment. So once people start commenting on your post, you message them and say, thanks so much for commenting on my post. And then you spend a few days messaging back and forth and getting to know them. And then you might say something like, hey, I have a free guide on how to get that smoky eye look that you like. Do you want me to send it to you? Boom. Yes. Right. And so now you're exchanging the freebie for their email. So now you have them on your email list. Another one of my favorite ways to get people on my email list is through collaboration. You both get to offer your freebies to each other's audience. And that has been one of the best ways that I have found to grow my email list. So this version is you're not going to get thousands of people overnight, right? Not spending any money, but it's a way to get several hundred people on your email list fairly quickly for completely for free, or for $20 a month, right? If you choose to use that Flow Desk option. But you can do this completely for free by using MailChimp. Okay, so let's recap for a second. You need a freebie. So you want to come up with some sort of freebie. You can look on Google, you can look on Pinterest. So Uber suggests there's a lot of different things that you can search to see what is trending right now and what people are wanting within your niche market. The second thing you need is your landing page, which I suggest either MailChimp or Flowdesk, because then that's your email marketing as well. And I'll put both links for those down below. The third thing you have to do is create content around your freebie and then offer your freebie once a week through your stories, your posts, your videos. So you're always going to be driving people to that freebie. So once you drive people to your freebie, you want to have like a link tree. I'll put the link for Linktree below too. That's what I use. And so that's where you're going to house your freebies. So if you just have one freebie, so whatever. So you want to house your freebie. So you're going to tell people, click the link in my bio, and it'll take you to my freebie. So when you're selling your freebie, your free offer on social media, you're going to drive them to the link in your bio. And so your bio needs to be set up where it will be attractive for your target market. And then you have your link tree there where they can just click, and then it'll take them to your landing page where they can exchange their email for your free offer. In addition to creating content around your freebie, you want to make sure you're doing the work behind the scenes. How many friends can I gather and really build a relationship with, both commenting on their posts and getting in their DM, getting to know them, and then offering my freebie because I know it's something that would be of value for them because I've taken the time to learn their interests and know that it's something that they would be interested in. Okay? And then the last thing is collaboration. You can find other people to collaborate with and then do trainings for each other's audience and offer your freebie. Okay, guys, so that is a fast, easy, free way to grow your email list. Email marketing is super powerful, so you want to make sure you're always growing your email list. If Facebook goes away tomorrow and Instagram goes away tomorrow and TikTok goes away tomorrow and Pinterest goes away tomorrow, if everything goes away tomorrow, YouTube goes away tomorrow, if you have your email list, you own that email list. So it is vital that if you have leads, you start getting them on your email list now. So start creating that content, create the freebie, create the content, start building those relationships, collab with other people, and build that email list today. I hope this was super helpful. Again, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and I will be here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. If you found value in this video, make sure you like, share, save, and leave me a comment below on what you found most helpful, because I would love to know how growing your email list is going for you. Okay, guys, I'll see you next Thursday. Have a great day. Bye.